Hello guys, once again, we're at Boom Lab and we're gonna take you through a full body workout with just the Smith machine. I'm gonna toss my weight on there. We're gonna start from the bottom up. We're gonna start with legs, a reverse lunge. You can do it two ways. Having a slight hinge, 45-degree angle, so that will hit your hamstrings and glutes. But if you want to target your quads, you got to be straight, 90 degrees, straight down, up, straight down, up. That's one variation for you guys. The next variation will be back squat. So that was squat. And with the squats, since it's stationary, you don't have the flexibility of hinging too much and all that. I don't like to do too much with the squat. I just like to go straight down and up to focus on my quad. The next variation we have on the plate today is deadlifts. You know me, I love my deadlifts. We're gonna go with the traditional deadlift. Always make sure you have a neutral spine, chest up tall. So you grip the ball, act like you wanna snap it. That will engage your lats. Chest up tall, neutral spine. So usually I hit 10 to 15 rep range, hypertrophy. I like to sculpt my body, have, you know, definition and always look toned. So if that's your goal, you can copy this style of training. We're done with legs. We're gonna progress shoulders. We're gonna start off light. We're gonna start with some 15s on each side. We're gonna start with the compound shoulder press. I usually don't wanna go past my nose right here. Shoot for 10 to 15 reps, 4 sets. Or 5 sets even. The other variation you could hit on here, the upright rows, and that will hit your lateral head of your shoulders. Chest up. This will hit the lateral head of your shoulders. 10 to 15 reps. Woo! Have a pump. Now we're gonna progress to the rear delts. You lay on the bench, chest up tall, wide grip. And this will target the rear delts. There you have it, shoulders. Now we're gonna progress to chest. We're gonna hit chest. But with the chest press, I like to plant my feet, chest up, where my lumbar spine is, have a little arch. So it targets my pec all the way down and up. We're gonna progress to incline, and that will hit the upper chest. Same formula, my lumbar spine arched, my feet planted, chest up to the ceiling. There you have it. Full body workout with your Smith machine. If you ever find yourself at the gym, it's busy, and you get a hold of one of these, it's gold. You're golden. You can have a full body 45 minutes workout and then you're out, go about your day. Thanks for watching. Like and comment if you have any fitness related questions. Thank you.